Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi guys. Hi guys. So exactly,
Hello, sir.
yeah, hi guys. Hi. Exactly, just now told by Ashish. Now, right now, there is no scope in the manual testing in market. So we have to grow up like automation tester. You get a lot of opportunities in market at the same time. You get a package unlimited. So this is the right time to learn automation testing. Especially actually lot automation testing is a different kind of things is there, but Selenium with Java is a more demand right now in the market. In upcoming days maybe Selenium with Python will come, but right now is a Selenium with Java is a more demanded. Yeah guys, anyone know anyone are working on manual testing, or anyone know the knowledge, anyone have knowledge on testing already, is working anyone on manual tester?
Yes, sir. I was working in automation testing, not
Okay.
in Java and Selenium, in different tool.
Okay, you are so like internal tool they are using, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That is different. Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, anyone still?
Actually, sir, I'm a test engineer. I'm working as a device test engineer,
Okay,
not in software, but I know about the Selenium, how to test a UI and functional testing of the any web page with the help of Java Selenium, sir.
okay. Very good, fantastic. Yeah, still anyone?
I also
Guys,
know about the APIs, how to request of the APIs
mm.
in a Postman, sir. As a
Yeah,
simply, I thought from myself, sir. That's why.
yeah, that's fine. That's super. That's super. The question response. That's it. Yeah, guys. Anyone know? Anyone are working here as a QA engineer, manual tester, or else yourself you learn anything? Okay, fine.
सर मैंने थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा है। इसे
Okay,
पोस्टमैन पढ़ा था, रोबोट फ्रेमवर्क पढ़ा था, कुछ
okay,
रिक्वेस्ट बनाई भी थी, सेंड कैसे
okay,
करते हैं, ये सब
okay,
चीजें। और मैनुअल सॉरी कई सारे एपीआई टास्क को कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, और
okay,
यूआरएल हेडर को मैनुअल कैसे पास करते हैं या किसी पैरामीटर के थ्रू कैसे पास कराते हैं,
okay.
ये लर्न किया था।
So, उसका good knowledge on API, right?
यस सर, मोस्टली।
Yeah, mostly. Yeah, you discuss about everything like API only. Yeah, great. Okay, guys. So today is a demo session. Already you know, right? So I'm going to share my screen. Once you're able to see my screen, you can just confirm me once, guys.
It's visual, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So आज का topic is a just like demo. What is testing, and what is the types of testings is there? So those topics today we're going to discuss. So we have a different kind of testings, guys, actually. So like a performance testing, security testing, so different kind of things is there like a testing, but security testing is different, performance testing is different, UI testing is different. Mainly we are going to discuss on the UI testing, guys. What is UI? What
सर
is
यूजर
UI?
इंटरफेस।
Yeah,
User
exactly.
interface or GUI based
Yeah,
testing.
either we can talk like, we can say like GUI or UI, user interface testing. So user interface is क्या मतलब है? User interface means
सर
Means
जैसे
the
कोई आपका
elements are
प्रोग्राम है।
presented on the web application body. Sir.
Exactly. So user, who is a user, who are using the laptop, I mean who are dealing with website. We are the users. You are the user, I am the user. Who are using website, who are dealing with website. So those person we can call like a user. Interface is nothing but how you are interfacing. Nothing but like a interface, the website. So user interface, so graphical user interface or else user interface, UI testing. You test the front end level of testing. Just like we can go with the Book My Show. So this is a one website to book a movie tickets. So here, once we open as a tester, once we open this website, we will make sure all web elements and buttons, everything is properly is set or not, properly is there or not. That is a testing. And moreover, every day we do the testing, different kind of things we do the testing. Take an example. If you go to shopping, you buy some shirt, you bought some shirt, you selected one shirt, you can trial the shirt right in the shop itself. So what you check out into that, once you take the shirt in the shopping, while you went the shopping, what you check out into that, like the color is good for me or not, the fit, the shirt is actually the loose or correctly is comfortable or not, like the way you have to test some shirt, right? Like the way at least one time we do some testing, different kind of things. That is a different kind of, that is a, I'm just talking about the personal life. That is a nothing but testing. Okay, so same thing we can do in the any application. Same thing, like how it's look like into that, all web elements is looking properly or not. I will select Mumbai. So when I select any movie like a Jawan or whatever, I should go to the in the Jawan cached and something. So as of the customer, as of the client expectation, the website is looking is there or not. Those things we need to verify as a tester. Okay, this is a UI testing. The simple guy, this is UI testing. This UI testing we can do again two types. Again, two types high. There is a one is for manually we can do, either we can do automation. We can do testing is nothing but by end of the day, you are manual tester or automation tester is not a matter here. By end of the day, you do test the application. That is the conclusion. But the difference way of you testing is different. The way of testing is different. You are manual tester, but suppose take an example, you are a manual tester now. You can do test the application, web application, everything by manually. Everything by manually means there is no tools used for testing the web application. There is no tools, no programming language required. No programming language required. Okay, so not required to use any tools, no programming language required if you become a manual tester. Got my points, guys? Any question to know? Hello?
So no tools if we say that in UI based, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
At UI end, you want to test the UI testing, front end website testing means not required to use any tools. Generally, we use Excel sheet for writing the test cases. We use Excel sheet. If you want, consider that also is the one tool. Generally, that is a general tool. That's why I'm not mentioning no tools not required. Here, not required to use any tools. not require any programming language. So you want to become manual tester. The same thing coming into that automation testing. So testing is two types. One is a manual, और एक is automation testing. You want to become automation tester, you should use some tools, you should use some programming languages. Okay, so you want to become manual tester, there is no code, there is no tools, but you want to become automation tester, you should learn some code and you should use some Selenium, tools. Like a tool is a Selenium tool. Okay, so like a tool is required, and language also required. So what is a language? Programming language. Programming language is required. Okay, so here is a tool means. So now we are using the tool here for automation testing, Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium WebDriver is a tool for using automation testing. So UI level, I'm talking about completely UI level, guys. Don't confuse. Completely UI level. For you want to do UI testing, we have the two types. One is the manual, one is automation. You want to become automation tester, you should learn some tools and with the programming language, Selenium WebDriver tool. The tool is a Selenium WebDriver tool. Okay. So coming into programming, what kind of programming language required? So we have Selenium supports the different languages, many languages. Selenium tool supports the different languages like a Java, Python, C#, Ruby, Perl. So still is there one or two? So this is the languages, it supports the Selenium tool. Selenium support hai different languages, Java, Python, C#, Ruby, Perl, etc. So our right now in the market, Selenium with Java is the more demanded now. Now parallelly is coming days also, maybe it will be coming days, it will be coming into the demanded part like a Selenium with Python. Selenium with Python also maybe in coming 2 to 3 years, the companies will be used mostly. But Selenium is same for Java or Python. Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python. But right now, up to now, in the market, Selenium with Java is the more demanded. So we are going to learn in these sessions Selenium with Java only. So again, you get a doubt. Maybe some people get a doubt like a Java. So Java have the core Java is there, advanced Java also is there. Again, core Java is divided into the two parts. So one is core Java, one is the advanced Java. So I want to complete Java. Exactly. No, only core Java enough. Core Java is more than enough if you want to become an automation tester. You want to Java developer, Java developer, go with learn Java fully. But automation tester, not required to learn full Java. Only core Java is enough. Core Java is very, very simple, guys. I will teach you. Don't worry. maybe you also have some know on the Java, maybe. But anyway, I'll teach you from scratch onwards Java. Don't worry about it. So up to now, any doubts, anyone, guys?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. Yeah. So now we are going to move some more details high here, like manual testing, automation testing. So some little basic of details here regarding manual and automation testing. See here, if you want to do manual testing, performing the testing without using any tools, guys. Already I discussed this point, is known as manual testing. Here, tester or person will do testing. Who will do the testing? Person will do the testing. Here, person will do the testing. There is no tools involved here. That's mean person will do the testing means there is no automation thing here. There is no automation things. Completely manually, persons is involved here. Okay. Coming into automation testing, we perform the testing with the help of tools. Already I discussed. What kind of tools, guys? Selenium WebDriver tool. Selenium tool with some programming languages. So that is called automation testing. Here, instead of a person, a tool will perform testing. So here, tool will perform the testing. Anyway, that who will run by the tool? Person only. Person only, but that testing is done by the tool. Okay. See, how can we tool perform testing? How can we tool the perform testing means? We can write some code, guys. We can write some code, Selenium with a Java code. Selenium with a Java code. We can write the code. We can write the code. See, testers will do some coding, put the developed code into the automation tool. So in the Selenium tool, the tester writes some code. Tester writes some code and automation tool will perform testing with help of the code developed by the tester. So tester writes some code in the Selenium tool. Automation tool. What Cavo automation tool here? Automation tool, nothing but here Selenium tool. Here is a Selenium tool. Okay. Automation tool is nothing but like a Selenium tool. In the Selenium tool, tester writes some code. So the tool will perform the test the application, web application. So that is the way of that Selenium tool perform the testing. And coming into Selenium. Okay, Selenium is a test automation tool. Very simple term. What is Selenium is nothing. Test the automation tool. So it is one of the automation tool. What is the purpose of the automation tool? To test the application, to test the web application. Okay. Instead of a person performing testing manually, Selenium tool will automatically perform the testing with help of developed code. Already I discussed this point. Tester writes some code in the Selenium tool. Selenium tool automatically will perform the testing. So, and guys, anyone have an idea about into the what kind of applications only we can test? What kind of application? Like what kind of application means? there is a two types of applications is there in market. I mean, in real world, two types of application. Web-based application and desktop application. What is the difference? क्या मतलब है both? Like a web-based means
So
what?
web-based application
क्या है?
means
Yeah,
that
tell me.
application which can run on browser, sir. On a browser.
Yes,
Or
exactly. Yeah.
desktop application which can run on native platforms like Windows, Mac OS on the native.
Yeah. Without
Yes,
internet,
sir,
right?
without internet.
Yeah,
And
without
web
internet.
application internet, sir.
Exactly. So web-based application, desktop application. There is a applications is two types, guys. Actually, two types: web-based, desktop-based. Help of internet, the application should run in the browsers only. Any browser like a Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, any. But desktop application is no internet required, no browsers required. Without those two things, we can able to run. Example, calculator. In our mobile or laptop, calculator is there. We can use calculator at any time, like without internet also, without browser also. So that is a desktop applications. We won't test. I mean, we won't do the we perform the automation testing in the web-based application mainly. Mainly we perform the web-based applications. Okay, Selenium can automate, can only automate web applications. Can only automate web applications, which will run by the browser, which we can run by the browsers. Which applications is run by the browser? Those applications only we can run the automation, like a Selenium. We can use Selenium. See example, some website we can take, msn.com. We can take amazon.com also, Amazon, Flipkart, whatever. Online application, we can, any application we can take example here. Selenium cannot automate desktop application or mobile applications. Selenium cannot automate those two applications, like a desktop one and mobile application one. Example, Skype, Adobe, PDF reader, many more, calculator, Excel, those word application also. Many of them is there. Okay, so this is the two types of things. Only web-based applications only we can do automate. Selenium can only automate web applications only. Now the coming to the point. Selenium is a free tool. Is a free tool, not required to pay single rupee also. Either you or me, anyone. You can freely download from net in Selenium tool. You can use it. You can use the Selenium tool freely. Actually, why I'm telling about this point, like in automation tools, some paid tools also is there. Some paid tools also is there in market. Example, Tosca tool. Tosca also, with help of Tosca tool, Tosca also automation tool, guys. Maybe you guys, some people guys know. Tosca is automation tool. Is a paid tool, guys, not a free tool. So it's not a open source. Open source tool is a paid tool. You have to pay. You have to take membership, like you have to pay some amount, then you can use the Tosca tool. But Selenium is a completely open source tool. Okay, Selenium is a free tool. Selenium is a free tool. So, and Selenium can support by the different browsers. Actually, why I'm going to discussing now, the topic is why the Selenium is more demand. Why the all companies used to prefer Selenium only. Only why Selenium? Many of Selenium, I mean automation tools in market. In outside, many of automation tools is there. But why? only Selenium is mostly preferable tool for automation because many advantages is there compared to remaining tools. Compared to remaining automation tools, Selenium has lot of advantages. That's why most of the companies preferred Selenium only. That is the first reason is Selenium is a free tool. Second one, different browsers supported by Selenium. Different browsers supported. See, what type of browser? See, Selenium supports the Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera. Edge also recently added in this list. I mean, recently means 1 or 2 years back. Okay. So almost all browsers, Selenium is supports. That is the second reason why the companies preferred Selenium only. Coming into third reason, different operating systems. Actually, we have the three, most of the people using Windows, either Mac, very rare people using Linux. Very rarely, depends on the people. Okay, mostly Windows and Mac, most of the people. So, but Selenium supports the Windows, Mac, and Linux. 3 operating systems also can support OS, any operating system. So this is one more reason Selenium is the most preferable tool right now in the market. What type of programming languages supported? Mostly is covered. Most of the top all programming languages supports the Selenium tool. This is also one more reason Selenium is most preferable language. Why? This is the reason. Java, C#, Ruby, Python, Perl, Haskell, Objective-C are JavaScript. We know very less languages like a Java, C#, Ruby, Python, Perl, JavaScript. This R, Objective-C, Haskell. This is the very old languages, guys. Actually, old language. Ruby and Perl also right now not using. Is a old languages, very old languages. Now Java, C#, Python, JavaScript is most demanded programming languages. So now applications developed by the either Java, C#, Python, or JavaScript. So those languages they're using right now, most of the companies. Okay. So almost many languages is support. That is also one of the reasons. And see components of Selenium. Actually, Selenium is not a single tool, guys. Not a single tool. I will tell you the Selenium official website also by end of the session. You can go and check that. Lot of information you will get from that website actually. So it's a combination of tools like a Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Out of all those tools, Selenium RC is outdated, can be ignored completely. Selenium RC, guys, completely ignored, outdated, not at all using anywhere. Why? Because of it's a lot of disadvantages there. Is a lot of disadvantages. Why? Because it support only one or two OS operating systems and very less programming language support. So RC is completely, Selenium RC is completely ignored. So you just forget about into that. Okay. Don't be remember. So Selenium IDE is there, Selenium Grid is there, Selenium WebDriver is there. So right now we are going to discuss Selenium WebDriver, guys. Selenium WebDriver. Okay. And Selenium have a lot of versions. Right now the version is 4.5.2 something is going on. 5.3, sorry. 5.3 is going on now. 4.5.3 version, latest version. So Selenium version 2 is there, 3 is there. Now right now 4.5.3 is going on, the latest version. Okay. So this is a old document, guys. Just ignore this. Selenium 3 is the latest version, means it's not I think this is a 1 year back, 1.5 year back document. Okay, I'm not added this. Selenium 4 is the latest version of Selenium now, 4.5. Okay. Yeah, see, sorry, if I added, sorry. Selenium 4 got released into the market at October 2021. So last year exactly, I mean 2021 means 2 years back. Almost 2 years back is released 4 version 4, Selenium version 4. Right now 4.5.3 is going on. Okay. You want to learn Selenium, like you want to become an automation tester, Selenium with the Java means there are 2 key points is there, guys. These 2 key points you should learn. One is the locators, one is the core Java. One is the locators, one is the core Java. So you should learn these two. You learn means you are automation tester. That's it. So very simple, guys. Core Java and locators both is the backbone of the Selenium. You want to become automation tester, locators and core Java is both is the backbone. Okay. These are prerequisites, guys, just like a prerequisites for locators and core Java. So this is the official website, guys, selenium.dev. Selenium.dev. If you want, go and visit the website, selenium.dev. You will get a more information on what is the version, who will develop, everything you will get those points. Actually, who is a develop the person, this all kind of things, not necessary to remember, but just your curiosity. If you have any, I want to know more about this, you can go and visit this website, selenium.dev. You will get more information about Selenium and version. You will download from 4 version also, latest version. Stable version, guys. Again, here is, there is a 2 versions is there, stable and one more. You will download stable version only. Don't download the another one. Where just they mention the stable version actually. They will mention the stable version. I will try to show you. See, Selenium WebDriver IDE and grid. So we go with the Selenium WebDriver. Downloads. The latest version, stable version. So go with the stable version only. So stable version is nothing but, so there is no issue. There is no problem in the version. There is no, there is no problem. No, I mean, no issues in the Selenium software. So that's the mean that stable version means 4.12, sorry, 4.12.1 going on. Okay. Long back I seen. Okay, 4.12.1 version is going on now. Yeah, any doubt on this up to now, guys?
So in Selenium means only means how you are testing means only one user type means one user you can test or multiple user you can test.
Sorry, your question not understandable. Come again.
Let's say we are doing UI testing, and for that, let's say in Selenium, can we do load testing kind of thing or only functional testing kind of?
Only functional, guys. Functional.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Only UI level, guys. Selenium can do the test by the functional level only. UI level only.
Sir, you will be showing some live testing also in this project,
Yeah.
in this course.
Yes. By end of the course, I will show you some practical things.
Okay. So, sir, in what we will be testing in that practical?
We'll take one application and we can test the one application. How we can do in real time in projects. How we can write.
Not related to the telecom test.
We can take the application. Yeah? We can take the
Okay.
application. Okay, telecom
Yeah.
sector is not.
Could you please say any example web applications? Which one?
Sorry, your voice.
Hello, are you able to
Yeah,
hear me?
your voice is audible but not clearly.
Yeah, I'm saying any example of that means web application related.
Example is Zoom.
Okay.
We can run by browser. So very simple here. Web-based applications means nothing. Which application? I mean, which software? Which application we can run by the browser with help of internet? Example: AirAsia. AirAsia booking ticket. Like you want to use Book My Show, AirAsia, lot of things. Amazon, Flipkart, Mitra. Those all applications we can consider web-based applications. Very simple. Web-based means web is nothing but internet. Web-based. So with help of internet, which application we can able to run? Those all applications consider web-based applications. Got my point?
Sir, if someone knows SQL,
Yes.
is there any benefit with this code?
Yeah, definitely. SQL, actually, guys, SQL is not related to any religion. It is a unique religion. You want to become a Python developer, either Java developer, front-end developer, automation tester, anything. SQL knowledge is good. I mean, you have a SQL knowledge, it is additional benefit for interview level.
Okay.
Okay. SQL is a unique religion, guys. Unique religion. Don't think about SQL is, I mean, I want to become manual tester. Maybe SQL is not used. Don't think about into that. If you add in, I have a good knowledge on SQL in your resume, definitely it is a good benefit on your interview purpose. Yeah. Still any questions? Okay, fine, guys. Still you have any query, any related one, you can ask me. Don't hesitate to ask me any question. You can ask me anything. So, meanwhile, I'm going to show you what kind of content, course content I'm going to show you guys. Overview of automation and Selenium. Here is, I'll discuss on what is software testing and types of software testings. What is challenges in manual testing, and actually some people know what is, I mean, some topics know manual testing, some people don't know manual testing. So I want to both in the same road, who knows and who don't know. I want to be the same road. So that's why I teach you manual testing topics also, guys. It is actually the basic thing. You want to become a automation tester also, you should know some testing concepts. You should know some basic concepts on testing. So I cover in the those concepts in the manual testing concepts. Okay. So once it's done, I will go with the tools, automation tool works and programming and automation. This is just like introduction, guys. What is advantages and disadvantages in the Selenium WebDriver? So once it's done, then we go with start with the Java, guys. Java and Eclipse environment setup is nothing but how to install. How to install. You want to write code, right? You want to write code. So how to install the Eclipse. Eclipse is a platform. Eclipse is the platform. I will show you Eclipse. Already my laptop is there. This is Eclipse, guys. So how to write a basic Java program, understand the output, variables and data types, and operators, conditional statements and loops, and oops concept, guys. This is a very, very important. In Java, oops concept is there. Object-oriented programming. Oops means object-oriented programming. So very, very important this one. So in the lot of topics is there. So classes, Java methods, objects, Java constructor encapsulation, polymorphism, overloading methods, inheritance, types of inheritance, method overriding. So method overloading, method overriding, Java packages, Java collections. This is the topics in the OOPS concept is there. Very, very important topic. If you attend any interview, definitely they ask them on some questions on this topic. Definitely will get some questions. So there's a OOPS concept. Now once a Java is done, then we'll move to the Selenium WebDriver, guys. Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver. So we have again environment setup means nothing but installation. So how to install and those things. And here is a lot of commands is there. Lot of commands. Here is the basic locators. First topic only locators concept. Locator concepts. Once locator is done, we can go to some simple commands. This is how to open, verify page, get page source, get page URL. This is all commands. Is the very simple commands. Refresh page, navigate backward and forward, navigation commands, enable, disable status of web elements. This is a very, very simple commands, guys. It's not locators. Locators only take some time, but this is all is a very simple commands. Very simple one, like a broken links, drop down, input box, alerts. This is also all very, very simple. And one more important topic is there here. Look, along with the locator, XPath is there. CSS XPath. CSS selectors and XPath is there, guys. Compared to CSS selector, XPath is very, very, very important. Definitely we'll get some questions on XPath also. Definitely we'll get some questions on XPath. Without asking the question on XPath, the interview never be closed. Without asking questions on XPath, the interview never be closed, guys. If you know how to write XPath code in Selenium, if you know how to write XPath code in Selenium, 50% you are success. 50% you success already. Only the topic you are expert means you are 50% is success in interview. So remaining 50 is nothing but remaining part, like remaining commands and Java code, Java, those things. Okay. In interview, mainly they focus on XPath. Most of the interviews. Very, very important. Is a very, very, very powerful command. XPath is a very powerful command. Okay. So these all commands is very simple, guys. Don't worry about into this all things. Very simple one. TestNG, guys. This is a framework. TestNG and Cucumber. Both is a framework. You can see Naukri and automation testing or any openings. They will requirement skills required, like they will mention either Cucumber BDD or TestNG. Most of the requirements, that is the skills required. Companies prefer those two frameworks only, TestNG and Cucumber BDD. At least one should know, guys, here. At least one should know thoroughly. Okay, either TestNG or Cucumber BDD framework. Either anyone, at least you should know that. Then only can go to interview. Both means super. Both you expert means that is also fine. At least one you should know. Maybe you are try with 1+ year of experience or 2+, like below 2
Sir,
means.
your voice is not clear. Now is clear?
Yeah, voice is clear. No
Okay.
issue.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. If you try with job in automation tester less than 2 years means one framework also fine. So because less experience, right? So less experience, one framework also fine. But you try with the 2+3+ means test ng and cucumber both
Sir, I
things.
think there is a connection error. Your voice is not clear.
Everyone facing same issue.
No, sir.
No,
Voice
sir,
is clear.
your voice is
No,
clear,
sir.
right?
Audible,
Okay.
audible.
Getting the voice clear.
Okay, guys, who are not able to hear my voice, that people can check the network, or else you can drop and again you have maybe your side issue. Yeah, thank you. So test ng cucumber both I will teach you anyway, guys. That remaining part in your hands. I will my part is only is teach you. That's the thing. Okay. Up to you understand. Up to you understand. I will teach you many times also, no problem. Okay. So this is the course content, guys. This is the cucumber. So this is the course content. Actually, here some manual testing concepts I'm not added, guys. If I add, it will get 2 more pages. So that's why I'm not added. Okay. But I will teach you those manual testing concepts. Don't worry about into that. Yeah, guys. Any questions?
Yes, sir. I just want to know.
Sorry. Come again.
Hello?
Yeah. Come again. Yeah.
I want to know the script preparation part, sir.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I want to know the script preparation part.
Selenium script. Ah.
Yeah. Script which is used in the automation testing.
Okay.
I want to know that part.
Yeah. Once Selenium is started, we'll discuss those script only. Selenium script only we'll discuss that time. That is your question, right?
I want to know, can we able to making the script, modify the script?
Yeah, everything it will come here. Everything it will come. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
Yeah, everything it will come. When the time will come, every topic I will discuss. Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Someone is asking.
Yes, sir. I'm just asking about the interview and placement assistance regarding questions, sir. What are the next step throughout the course, sir?
So training, I mean, training up to here. Okay, placements will discuss with Ashish. Ashish. One second, guys. Ashish, are you there? Yeah. Will placement will discuss by with Ashish or okay, yeah, okay.
Okay, sir. Please.
Okay. Still any questions? Right now, any questions on my today demo or any content or any topic? You can
One
ask
question,
me,
sir.
guys.
Can we cover CI/CD or
Yeah.
Jenkins?
Yes. Jenkins. Git
Oh,
and Jenkins also will discuss it. I forgot to add it in the course content. We'll discuss what is what. Up to what level we required as a automation tester. We not required completely.
yeah.
We use few commands only. Up to level we'll discuss.
Okay, thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. Still anyone? Okay. No questions, right? Om Prakash,
Yes, sir.
Pritika,
No, sir.
Lokesh,
No, sir.
Gaurav Singh. Yeah.
What is the duration of course, sir? How much time we have to cover this for?
It will take 60 days here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll discuss slowly, one by one topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It will be on daily basis or weekend.
It's a daily basis here. Daily basis.
Okay.
At we plan
Once,
8:30 on the time. Yeah, tell me.
yeah, sorry, sir. Please, once the course is completed, then you are providing any type of certification also or not?
Hmm. Actually, those things we discuss with Ashish here. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Fine.
What will be the time of this class?
Actually, we daily basis we are going to plan 8:30
Yeah,
p.m.
it's fine.
8:30
8:30.
p.m. guys. 8:30 p.m.
Yeah, it's fine. It's
Yeah.
okay.
We are going to plan that time because some people is working, some people have some work, so it's comfortable everyone. That's why we're planning 8:30 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll update you. I mean, that is also fixed. That is almost is fixed 8:30 p.m. But if further also we update you guys. Still, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. And my way of teaching is okay, or anything to change on my way of teaching?
No, sir. It's okay. If anything required, we will update.
Okay.
It's
We
okay,
have to.
sir, but
Mm,
if some student need some bilingual approach, then they approach it.
okay. Okay. Fine.
So in between the theoretical session, you gave me any like as an example to practicals when we cover any topics like one by one. It is the covered or not?
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. Each topic, I will show you some practical things.
Okay.
Each topic with example and with the practical thing only, I will teach you every topic.
That's better for us. No?
Exactly. I know that.
So actually, this is the new things for uh, each and every persons. Suppose
Yes.
that that's better to understand for the examples when we
Exactly.
cover any
Each
topics.
and each and every. See, I'm sharing my screen on just 2 minutes, guys. I will close this one. No problem. So here is a lot of comments. Is there, right? Lot of comments already.
Yes.
I told you. Each and every comment I will show you one practical thing. Each and everything. I will go with Eclipse and Selenium and I will run one program here. I will show you how the command is work in reality. I mean, in the projects or whatever, how use into that. Okay. Here is
Okay.
some conditional statements is there. If condition is there, if else, switch case, while, loop, do while. I mean, some loops is there.
Yes.
Each
Yes.
and everything I will write one code in Java code. This is a Java. I will write one Java code for while loop, then do while, then for loop. How it works. Each and every line I will teach you how the code is working. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Fine.
Thanks.
Yeah. Still any question?
Any query, guys? You can also ask in Hindi, no problem.
Yeah, you can, no problem. You can ask me any language, guys. Don't hesitate to ask me. Telugu, Hindi, English, Tamil also no problem.
Okay, guys, thank you for joining. I think we should wind up for today.
Yeah.
And let's
Thank
start
you, guys.
tomorrow. Okay. So from tomorrow, our technical session will start.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.